Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle. In this video I want to show you how to clean your brushes. Or not. First, the tools. Some clean water, a rag, and some Master's brush cleaner and preserver, and Jentastic's Drunken brush goop. The brush goop is kinda oily and looks like tuna, and the Master's cleaner is just nice white soap. You'll also need some brushes to clean, and I have 3 types here. These are cheapy Walmart synthetic brushes. As you can see, they're pretty nasty. Then I have my good brushes. These are some size 1, 2, and 3 Rosemary & Co. Series 313 brushes, and my Army Painter Regiment brushes. And last but not least, some Army Painter dry brushes. First, let's clean the dry brushes. I take my brush and dunk it in some clean water. Then I swirl it around in the soap. Then I swirl it on the cloth rag in a small circular motion and boom. As you can see, in just a few seconds, it has 100% knocked off all of that dry metallic paint. For my good brushes, I take cleaning a step further. I do this 2 at a time, dunking them in water and then swirling them around the soap, and then swirling them in small circular motions on the rag. Then I break out the brush goo. I dip the brushes in the water again, and then I run them around the stuff, then another swirl on the cloth. As you can see, this rebuilds the nice sharp tip. I don't 100% clean off the brush goo. I let it sit on the bristles as I let them dry. Now onto my crap brushes. Now watch carefully as I clean all of them at once. I swirl them in the clean water and then done. I don't clean these brushes. As long as you keep your paint water mostly clean, these brushes should be fine. These are months old and they continue to do good work for me. And they only cost a few cents each, so who cares? A good way to think of these soaps is brush cleaner is a shampoo to wash away the paint and the brush goo is a conditioner to keep your bristles nice and sharp. We make tutorials like these every single week, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there, you'll gain access to some behind the scenes, STLs, hobby hangouts, and other exclusive content. Now that you know how to keep your brushes clean, you might want to try them out by following this tutorial on painting some crispy checkers. Find that video and lots more like it on our beginners playlist. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.